The new Gixxer 600 follows a long line of track-bred GSX-Rs. This time the GX6 is reinvented with a more attractive design, MotoGP-style exhaust, adjustable foot pegs, and a slipper clutch. We were expecting good things from the Gixxer when we took it to the track, as it has all the required ingredients to excel. It's stubby and compact, but surprisingly roomy, even for Chamberlain's 6-foot frame. We've got our eyes on you, BC. Here comes Donnie B. Beckland's quickest time on the Gixxer was just 2/100ths slower than his best lap of the weekend overall. BC again, doing a little horizon tilting of his own. Like the others, the Suzuki has a far-ranging power band that allows a rider to hold a gear while accelerating out of a long corner. Corner transitions are somewhat hindered by narrow handlebars and the highest weight among the 600s. Nice slipper clutch though. The confidence the Gixxer inspired in Beckland prompted him to proclaim it as the supersport he'd choose to race. We'll see you on the podium.